Nakaraos na yung ating women's kanina sa Game 1. At dito naman ako para rito sa FEU. Bernard Guerrero, the team captain of LaSalle. Shelord Talisayan sa likuran. Lusot itong cross-court na.
Avedra, ang lupit nung binitawan na yan dyan sa opposite. Sabi mo, bubuhati niya sa shoulder niya. Lapad, kita mo na. Black point naman.
Ito ng FEU. Attacker from the back row. Yun na si Chris.
Ang exhaustion na nararamdaman. Especially this is already the championship. The leading attacker for LaSalle. 107 points sa season na to.
Nico Espartero. Nice set by Yoyo. Nice!
Hindi siya nag-start para sa LaSalle, but all throughout, ang ganda na ng pinakita.
The first grab ace area. Benny Martinez with that set to Greg Saavedra. Hernandez, that is. As usual, Benny Martinez. Pico Espartero.
Daman natin yun doon sa palong niyang ginawa.
Jangnan, attack of the set yan, coach. Pat ba? Attack na sa Jangnan of LaSalle to keep it in play. Benny Martinez to Nico Espartero gets blocked. Loving it.
Nahuli pa yung layog, hinabol pa niya talaga. Ito.
About that, making the quick point. Lyric Mendoza finishing off that nice set. Talisayan, Magalaman was right there for the block. Magalaman again!
Wala. Dahil free ball, sinenyasan na kagad niya si Magalaman ng quick. Pinasukan.
May point siya nung Game 1 and then in Game 2, up with 13. And right now, that's all part of history. What we're focusing on is this finals game of his. See it again. Enjoy it again. Especially if you're an FE. Espartero up. Tuna Dongala. Hernandez denied, rejected.
One-on-one against Hernandez. Great timing. Ganda ng pagkakapayong.
Timeout LaSalle.
Those are FEU supporters. Galing pa sa women's kanina yan.
Oo.
Another
Against DLSU. Eric Layog will have to do something. Serve right there, pero reception then. Serve for LaSalle. Combination Nico Espartero, but it's out. It's in.
It's in.
Best of 3 series. Ricks, the dig. Yoyo Mendoza off the block gets the
Successful for LaSalle.
1-2. Benny Martinez.
The attackers para sa LaSalle.
Rick Saavedra. We'll be right back with set 2.
3 straight sets.
Para may pinapahiwatig ka, coach. Talisayan. Have to go the extra mile. Kita naman natin yung improvement. Combination. Talisayan.
That offensive pattern na yan, harap at likod. They're able to get a point.
In Game 1. The FEU turn to attack. The drop in for Saavedra. Ball up. Joust. It's still in play. Right
Elevation ng Mendoza. Solalo. Straight through.
Nico Espartero. Dig by Yoyo Mendoza. Espartero again. Off the block. The harder that's set. Dikit lang tayo rito. How about the combination play?
2 for Lasal.
Joshua Magalaman.
Ka doon sa tamang oras. But at the heart.
Walang kasunod eh. Nagawa naman ng paraan Lasal. Lyric Mendoza. Meron din palang ball fake. Ano?
Sometimes we see that. Tatlong nasa harapan na yan.
Talisayan, cross court. It's in. With that set, and Eugene.
Line. And that's what Lasal did in scoring that one.
Ayaw magkamali. Espartero! Going for that angled attack. Joshua Magalaman, just like that.
Awa sa walang penalty naman yan, di ba?
Grabe. Kay Guzman. Libero para rito sa panig. Yoyo Mendoza with that service. Top block. They want to happen for them is to up their emotions. And their momentum kanina. At kung kailangang magingay, willing and able, ito si Drick Saavedra for FEU. Bustula regalo. Oh! Lyric Mendoza. Drick Saavedra.
At tumahabol na.
Jangnan attack of the set. Hot mat ba? Attack na sa Jangnan.
Kabilang side.
And this is like showing to everybody why they were #1 at the end of the preliminaries.
Drick Saavedra.
And the ever so reliable Drick Saavedra who has been delivering. Pero eto gagawa muna ng paraan. That service. Betting with a set to Lyric Mendoza. Smith will be right back.
Gives a score for Lasal.
Drick Saavedra.
Mendoza. Maganda sa kanya, intensity player din eh. Whenever he gets intensity na gusto niyang ibigay sa team niya.
And again, dagdagan pa natin. Grab, block of the set.
Pato, sabay palo eh.
Hernandez. Ventura. Oh, it caught the line and the ace needs to prevent from happening. Grab ace of this. Get going. Baka magtuloy-tuloy.
Hindi naramdaman ng FEU na binigyan sila ng regalo eh.
You don't stop playing until the game is over. Yun lang yun eh. You know.
May palo, kailangan puntahan mo pa rin siya dyan sa opposite.
Jed Talisaya. Nico Espartero. They wanted it. They were able to exit the deficit of 4. Wow, Lyric Mendoza making that. Keeping their chances alive here in game 1, but Drick Saavedra And the much needed points, as usual, delivered by this guy.
That one.
Hernandez. Julio before this service. And Joshua Magalaman. Eddie Martinez. Lyric Mendoza. And now he's serving. Rick Saavedra. Kuha pa rin. Ventura. Now Hernandez off the block. And they hit for sure. Eko Adhar. Rick Saavedra, may sagot pa rin ang Lasal. Guerrero. And yung Gala. Got the line. Ito na, Miko Spatero. Ball up, Spatero. Wanting to be quick about it. Magalaman gets blocked. Adhar back to Magalaman. Ceballos with that dig. And nothing like that.
Balikan doon. Ang bilis din ng mga pangyayari.
Play. Spatero. Adhar. Let's see this attack.
Third at saka fourth set. Magandang pinapakita na itong si Hernandez.
Jangnan attack of the set. Hotpot ba? Attack na. Adhar. Magalaman gets blocked. Lakers. And he knows there's still a long ways to go here. Quick attack right there. Ito sa inyo. Bituin! Hirap yung hindi ka na pinapagalitan, di ka na rin kinakausap, di ka na rin pinapansin.
Wow.
Pero ito kapansin pa. 9 serving 6.
Todo talaga eh.
Oh, what a dig right there by Benny Martinez. Oh, and then that attack. Feel. Spatero tried the drop. Naiangat pa rin ng Lasal. Well, basically a test of endurance and stamina also. Oh, an ace! Nagawan pa rin ang paraan. Lasal with Yoyong Mendoza. You because of an infraction. Boquita sets this one up. Rui Ventura. Good move. Oh, good save right there by Yoyong Mendoza. Ball over.
Binalik kay Amit Bitu.
Tula Dongala.
Tapos biglang yun kay Donggala.
Papawihan si Donggala that time. Scramble here for Lasal. Is he over? Kenny Martinez. At hindi naman yung finishing. Aba, nagawa pa rin ang paraan. Boquita.
Hanggang ibaon yun.